from alkane by oxidation. In this method, only tertiary alcohol prepared from tertiary alkanes. Second one, alcohol prepared from alkene by two process. One is catalytic hydration. It is followed by Markovnikov rule. Gives alcohol. Which type of alcohol? Secondary alcohol. Unsaturated alcohol, unsaturated alkene on hydration with sulfuric acid gives secondary alcohol. If we take boration and oxidation, alkene react with diborane followed by oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in the presence of alkali gives primary alcohol. It is followed the anti-Markovnikov rule. After that, alcohol prepared from alkyl halide. Here, alkyl halides various types: primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary alkyl halides undergoes SN2 mechanism with aqueous KOH or NaOH gives primary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol obtained from tertiary alkyl halide. It is followed by SN1 mechanism. Actually, primary alkyl halide react with aqueous KOH favor the primary alcohol. Secondary alkyl halide react with aqueous KOH or NaOH gives secondary alcohol and less amount of alkene. If we take tertiary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide react with aqueous KOH or NaOH favors the formation of alkene instead of formation of tertiary alcohol. Okay. After that, alcohol prepared from ethers. Alcohol prepared from ethers. From ethers. What is the formula of ether? ROR. Here, what is the process? By hydrolysis. By hydrolysis. Ethers react with water in the presence of sulfuric acid. Gives what is the product? Here, water HOH. HOH gives alcohol. 2 moles of alcohol. Okay. Neat concept. CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Here ethyl, diethyl ether react with water in the presence of sulfuric acid. Gives what is the product? Here H2OH gives how many moles of alcohol? CH3, CH2OH, CH3, CH2OH. So it gives 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. Okay, it is follows SN2 mechanism. Here primary follows SN1 mechanism. Not in this equation, mainly with hydrogen iodide. With hydrogen iodide. Okay, take another concept. Tertiary alkyl group bonded to oxygen. Ethyl group bonded to oxygen. This is mixed ether. React with hydrogen iodide. Followed SN1 mechanism. How, sir? Here tertiary group was able to the formation of stable carbocation by transfer of electron. Okay. Here negative charge positive charge. That's why it is shifted toward the alkyl group, hydrogen shifted to the oxygen. Gives what is the product? Tertiary iodide with alcohol. This model very important. Keep in our mind. But the concept is alcohols are formed by hydrolysis of ether in the presence of sulfuric acid. In case of mixed ether, react with hydrogen iodide. Neat point. Simply says with hydrogen iodide. Mixed ether react with hydrogen iodide, followed the SN1 mechanism, which is favored in SN1 mechanism tertiary group. Tertiary group form cation. This cation react with iodine to form alkyl halide. Remaining alkoxy group react with hydrogen to form alcohol. This is another model from the ethers. So what are the model? First one from hydrolysis or by hydrolysis reaction. Second one with hydrogen iodide. Okay. Next, another one from carbonyl compound. From carbonyl compound. Do you know the carbonyl? Carbonyl means C double bond O. Which are having C double bond O? One is aldehydes. Aldehydes. General formula RCHO. Second one ketone. In ketone, general formula RCOR. Aldehyde and ketone having CO group. This is carbonyl group. Okay, from carbonyl group, here first one by catalytic hydrogenation. By catalytic hydrogenation. Here, what is the catalyst? Fixed catalyst, either palladium or platinum. Palladium on the charcoal surface. Second one, platinum or nickel or platinum dioxide. It is Adams catalyst. Adams catalyst. Okay. So here, what is catalytic hydrogenation? Addition of hydrogen to carbonyl group in the presence of these catalysts gives alcohol. How, sir? Observe the mechanism. Carbonyl group C double bond O. React with hydrogen in the presence of palladium or platinum or nickel. Gives what is the product? Due to highest electronegativity, this 5 bond electron shifted to here, it creates negative charge, positive charge. So in the presence of palladium, here it is create charged species. Okay, that's why here hydrogen, one hydrogen bonded to oxygen, another hydrogen bonded to carbon. If we take 2 moles, gives what is the compound? Amine hydrogen 4 CH2 H is added by replacing double bond. So representation, react with hydrogen, gives rise to CH2OH. Carbonyl group react with aldehydes. Sorry. Carbonyl group react with hydrogen, gives what are the compound? Here ketone, ketone gives secondary alcohol, only 1 mole of hydrogen, CHOH, secondary alcohol. If we take aldehyde, react with hydrogen in the presence of palladium, gives what is the product? Here hydrogen added, 1, here 1. So gives what is the compound? CH2OH. CH2OH is primary alcohol. Next, another one. Double bond or triple bond in the presence of palladium or nickel, any these catalysts, unsaturation converted to saturation. Okay, I repeat, alcohol prepared from carbonyl compound. Name of the reaction is bicatalytic hydrogenation. Here catalyst palladium on charcoal, platinum or nickel or platinum dioxide. Here, in the presence of these catalysts, ketone on hydrogenation gives secondary alcohol. Aldehydes on hydrogenation gives primary alcohol. These catalysts convert unsaturation to saturation, means double bond to single bond, triple bond to single bond. Okay, so here ketone, it is aldehyde. Okay, now we are taking neat points. Few examples. In the presence of palladium, what is the X? It is a catalyst in hydrogenation. In hydrogenation, aldehyde group convert into alcohol. Which type of alcohol? Primary alcohol. So CHO group converted into CH2OH. CHO group converted into CH2OH. Okay. Here unsaturation is there. Unsaturation converted into saturation. This is the product. Second model, protonaldehyde in the presence of palladium or nickel gives what is the product? Here aldehyde converted into primary alcohol. Double bond unsaturated and converted into saturation. CH3, CH, single bond, CH. Okay. This is catalytic hydrogenation concept. Now I am taking second one. Second one is reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in ether or tetrahydrofuran, THF. What is the difference between hydrogenation and reduction? In hydrogenation, H2 molecule is added, but in reduction, hydrogen atom is added. Never mind. Okay, here, reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride in ether. Ketone on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Here, one hydrogen coming from here. This hydrogen shifted to oxygen. One hydrogen coming from water. One hydrogen coming from water, another hydrogen coming from lithium aluminum hydride. Sir, I have confusion. No confusion. Ketone with lithium aluminum hydride gives secondary alcohol. Next, aldehydes with lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride in ether. Convert into primary alcohol. But what is the difference between the palladium and lithium aluminum hydride? Only one difference. Palladium or platinum dioxide or nickel convert unsaturation compound to saturation compound. But lithium aluminum hydride does not convert unsaturated compound to saturated compound. Remaining acids. What is the remaining? Aldehyde on reduction gives rise to primary alcohol. Ketone on reduction gives rise to secondary alcohol. It is enough. Okay. Third one, reduction. This is second one. Third one, reduction with sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride. One, two, three, four. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon valency 4, not exceed the 4. Okay, thank you. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, lithium reduction with sodium borohydride. Same reagent, same conversion. Sodium borohydride. Ketone convert into secondary alcohol. Aldehyde convert into primary alcohol. Okay. If you have any confusion, NEET. CHO or CHO group in the presence of palladium or lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Everything gives rise to primary alcohol. Simple logic. Ketone, palladium or lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride gives rise to secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Enough. Okay. That's from carboxylic acids. From carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid or COOH. Here reagent. Here reaction is by reduction. By reduction. Here reagent. Lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride. Okay. RCOOH reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. First step lithium aluminum hydride. Second step followed by hydrolysis. Gives what is the product? Logic. This carboxylic acid group converted into alcohol, CH2OH. What is the remaining? One example, CH3COOH, lithium aluminum hydride. First step, second step is water. Water. Use what is the product? COOH group converted into CH2OH. Here little bit confusion. In lithium aluminum hydride, hydrogen first transfer into the carbon. In lithium aluminum hydride, one hydrogen transferred to the carbon. Okay. Next, in the second step, hydrogen from water converted into OH group. So CH2OH group. Okay. One NEET type question. Guess what is the product? Here, ketone is there. Ketone is there. Lithium aluminum hydride convert ketone to secondary alcohol. Carboxylic acid is there. Converted into alcohol. Lithium aluminum hydride cannot decompose multiple bonds. So here represent multiple bonds. Conversions find out ketone to secondary alcohol, carboxylic acid converted into alcohol. Okay. Follow this rule. top read. Here aldehydes in the presence of palladium or lithium aluminate sodium borohydride, aldehyde convert into primary alcohol. Ketone convert into secondary alcohol. Okay. Here carboxylic acid convert into alcohol in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, I am taking one example. Ketone group, carboxylic group. In the presence of lithium aluminate, ketone group convert into secondary alcohol, like this model. Carboxylic acid convert into primary alcohol. Okay. Next, from carboxylic, from esters. From esters. Esters general formula RCOOR. Esters formula RCOOR. Here two types. One is with aqueous KOH. Esters react with aqueous KOH. Useless to what is the product? Here use RCOOK, potassium salt of carboxylic acid. Another one ROH. I repeat, potassium salt, esters react with aqueous KOH, use potassium salt of carboxylic acid and alcohol. Okay, to take one example, CH3, COO, CH2, CH3 react with aqueous KOH. Its name ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate react with KOH. Gives what is the product? CH3COOK, CH3COOK plus CH3CH2OH. Logic. With aqueous KOH, esters gives carboxylic acid, salt of carboxylic acid and alcohol. If you take lithium aluminum hydride, second one, with lithium aluminum hydride, esters react with lithium aluminum hydride. Here breaking of bond between carbon and oxygen by addition of this hydrogen here. Second step, addition of water. Here another hydrogen coming from water. Here hydrogen added. Okay. First it is converted into aldehyde, aldehyde converted into alcohol. So it gives what is the compound? RCH2OH, CH2OH, or CO group converted into CH2OH plus RO group converted into alcohol. Two types of alcohol form. One example, very important example. CH3, COO, CH2, CH3 with lithium aluminum hydride. Second step with water. It is converted into alcohol. It is also converted into alcohol. So that's why 2 moles of alcohol. Okay. Suppose this is X. Its IUPAC name ethyl. Remaining how many carbon? 2. Ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis gives 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. If we take IUPAC name ethanol. Sir, I have lot of confusion. No confusion. Logic. At least keep in our mind this model. Lithium aluminum hydride. Convert aldehyde to alcohol. Second one, ketone. Ketone to secondary alcohol. Observe roundup. Third one, carboxylic acid. Converted into alcohol. RCOOR. Converted into RCH2OH plus ROH. Enough. Only lithium aluminum hydride. Only lithium aluminum hydride. Convert aldehyde to alcohol, ketone to alcohol, carboxylic acid to alcohol, ester to alcohol. But if you take sodium borohydride convert aldehyde to alcohol, ketone to alcohol only. If we take palladium or nickel, etc., they convert aldehyde to alcohol, ketone to alcohol, unsaturation convert into saturation. This is the difference between these reagents. Very important, this model. Next, from primary amine. Primary amine formula RNH2. Amine, primary amine. Nitrogen has 2 hydrogen. This is primary amine. Okay. Primary amine react with nitrous acid in the presence of HCl. In the presence of